How does your body heal from being struck by lightning? The answer reveals an incredible story of survival and cellular repair you won't believe. When lightning strikes you, the electric current can cause severe burns on the skin's surface and deeper tissues. It also disrupts your nervous system and can stop your heart temporarily. The damage is sudden and intense, but your body responds immediately to start repairing the destruction. Your body's cells start repairing themselves right away. Special proteins and enzymes activate to clear dead cells and promote new growth. Skin cells multiply to close burns, while nerves slowly rebuild connections. This cellular repair is essential to restore function and prevent infection. Lightning can cause a temporary cardiac arrest or arrhythmias. Fortunately, your heart's electrical system often resets itself within minutes or hours. Medical intervention can help, but your body's natural pacemaker cells work hard to restore a normal heartbeat and blood flow. While some healing is immediate, full recovery from a lightning strike takes weeks or even months. Damaged nerves regenerate slowly, and scar tissue forms to protect injured areas. Physical therapy often helps regain strength and coordination, making long-term healing a gradual process. Your body's ability to heal from a lightning strike is a powerful testament to human resilience and cellular ingenuity. From instant damage to long-term nerve repair, each step is vital for survival. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and discover more amazing science every day.